Hi, welcome everyone to the Prop Show organized by the Prop Tiger. Here in this Prop Talk, we have invited one of the finest developer of the country and as well as the Pune city. And there are some of the finest property offering into the one of the premium pockets of the city. And we have experts of panel from the PropTiger.com and from the Purvankara, which is today's product offering from the developer side. So we have Mr. Ranjit from the Prop Tiger side and Pallavi from the Purvankara side. I request Pallavi to introduce herself and her group so that customer can understand about the legacy of the developer and the kind of product offering they have within city and across country as well. Over to you, Pallavi.
Hi everyone, this is Pallavi from Purvankara Limited. So I'm the part of closing team. So if I talk about the Purvankara, it's listed company, South Bangalore based company. So it's a legacy of 45 experience in real estate. 60 projects we have completed all over India. 8 plus cities we have crossed. So if I talk about the particular Pune, so in Pune we are going to construct two projects. So first project which in Keshav Nagar, the project name is Purva Silver Sands. So if I talk about the like Purvankara always make premium projects plus luxury projects, theme-based project. If I talk about particular. So if I talk about the like Purvankara second project, the location is Babdan. The project name is Purva Aspire. So this project, it's all about next generation plus greenery. This is the theme of this project. Like I said, Purvankara always make premium project plus theme-based projects. So this project theme is greenery plus next generation, which is in Babdan location. It's nearby Androsha Resort.
Fantastic,
Yeah, this is all
fantastic.
about the like Purvankara.
Okay, great. Mr. Ranjit, can you please introduce you and your entity?
Hi, thank you, Mr. Sandeep. Very good evening to all of you. I'm Ranjit Sharma from PropTiger side. I have just completed my 5+ years in with the PropTiger, and PropTiger is an organization, PropTiger, which is a part of which was established in 2011, and PropTiger is a part of Elara Marketing Services or Elara Technology Group, and which have housing.com, makan.com, and proptiger.com. Right from 2011 to 2021, PropTiger suggests and helping to our buyers, which is the count is for 25,000 plus to home buying journey, and we never charge to our customers for the helping their dream homes, and we always suggest for the home buying journey as well as home loan process, which is a dream for the customers.
Okay, fantastic. So good to have both of you on board, which can really help our buyers to understand more about the project location as well as the project USPs while concluding their property decision. So Pallavi, just help our buyers to understand more about the exact location of this project and the facilities available in and around this location, which may appeal to many of our property buyers. Pallavi, I think you are on mute.
Yeah, sorry. Thank you so much. So if I talk about the like location, particular this project, which name is Purva Aspire, the location it's Babdan. It's nearby Oracle company. So this is all about the location. It's near to Chandni Chowk. From this location to Chandni Chowk, it will take 5 minutes, like 1.2 kilometer is the distance of this project to Chandni Chowk.
Pallavi, sorry to interrupt. You mean this project is located just beside the upcoming metro station of Chandni Chowk, right?
Exactly. It's upcoming to metro, beside the upcoming metro. So if I talk about the like project location, I hope it's clear, right?
Right. You can narrate more about it in terms of connectivity to the multiple key locations of the city so that our buyers can understand more about it exactly.
Okay. So first, if I talk about this project Purva Aspire, basically the theme is I said like Blue Next and next generation plus greenery. So the USP of this project, in this we are going to give next generation like Blue Next technology, oxygenated clubhouse. This is all about the USP of this project, which I'm talking. So first is Bluenix technology. Second one is pure drinking water through your kitchen tap. Third is oxygenated clubhouse. And fourth one is your to live in concept. These are the USP of this project. So which is unique to others.
Okay, great. So, thank you, Pallavi. Ranjit, can you please help us in terms of the key locations available around these project locations so that people can understand and build their connects by considering their employment hub and the schooling avenues available around this location?
Yes, definitely. So basically, Purva Aspire as a project name, it's constructed by the Purvankara. So basically, it's in Bavdan location. It's from the Chandni Chowk. It's the heart of the Pune. I mean Pune city, right? Where you can connect if you want to. It's a पुणे का जो सबसे बेस्ट एंड पुराना जो पुणे है, ओल्ड पुणे यू कैन से, इट्स अ कोथरूड जंक्शन, राइट? तो पूर्वा एस्पायर जो प्रोजेक्ट है उससे अगर चांदनी चौक का लोकेशन देखते हैं, आई मीन फिर कोथरूड साइड का, तो इट्स हार्डली 5 to 10 मिनट्स वाया वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस और वाया ड्राइव व्हीकल. एंड जो पूर्वांचल है इस पर वहां के जो रोड्स है विच इज 140 मीटर्स वाइड रोड, ऑलरेडी उसका काम चालू हो चुका है, एंड विच इज कनेक्टेड टू वाया मेट्रो जंक्शन, and within a 3 to 5 minutes you will just connect to the Pune Mumbai Bangalore highway. And project nearby में already IT companies which is like Oracle office near to just next to our projects which is a Purva Aspire. If you working in a Hinjewadi, via highway you will connect to Hinjewadi within a hardly 10 to 15 minutes via highway, Pune Mumbai Bangalore highway, right? If you want to other part of the Hinjewadi or other part of the Kothur industry, like Kothur IT offices, then you can connect within a 10 to 15 minutes connect in a Kothur location. If you want to, if you working in a industrial area, I mean Chandni Chowk, Ranjangaon, or just Saswat side and Varje, Malwadi, these are the basically industrial belt, manufacturing industry. Right? अगर वहाँ पर भी
I think the Pirangut is one of the closest industrial hub to this project, right?
Right. Absolutely right. Absolutely.
Okay. Thank you very much, Ranjit and Pallavi.
Thank you.
Now I request Pallavi to take us through the project presentation, which will help us to understand more about the product offering and the USP of the project in nutshell, which will help us to understand and conclude accordingly.
Okay. So this is all about the like Purva Aspire, like कैसा आपका elevation रहेगा, what elevation you will be having. So if I talk the land parcel, it's 2.5 acre land parcel. 2 acre land parcel, we are going to construct 2 towers only. Total apartments is 236 over there. Akansha, please next. Next. So this is all about your master plan. If I talk about this, can you see this like first it's we have mentioned 18-meter wide road. So this would be 18-meter wide, entrance of society first, master 2 towers you will be having on 2 acre land parcel. Tower 1 it's Ruby, tower 2 is Jade. So next. Yeah. So if I talk about the like unit plan, so we are going to construct 2 types of 2 BHK and 2 types of 3 BHK. First 2 BHK grand, second it's 2 BHK lux. So if I talk about the layout, Akansha, can you just zoom it? So 2 BHK grand, if I talk about the usable area, carpet area it's 828 and super build up it's 1181. And if I talk about the internal side, Akansha, can you zoom it? It's
it's a visual
You
for
can
all
continue,
of us.
Pallavi.
Yeah,
Ha,
please,
ha.
Pallavi.
You can continue, Pallavi.
Okay, this is the layout of 2 BHK Grand with carpet area 828 and super builder we have mentioned over there. It's 1181. So if I talk of the bedroom sizes, so master bedroom, we are going to give wooden flooring. The master bedroom size is 10.5 by 15.5, 13.5. This is the master plan, master bedroom. It's And next is 2 BHK Lux. The carpet area is 928, super builder with 1331. This is the 2 BHK Lux. 3 BHK Grand, the carpet area is 1170, super builder with 1637. 3 BHK Lux, which is the bigger carpet area which we have, with the carpet area 1226, super builder with 1716. So basically, it's 2-acre land parcel. We are going to construct 2 towers only, Ruby and Jade, which name we have given. 0.5, we will be having commercial like grocery shops, medical stores. These shops kind of you will be having 0.5 acre. So if I talk about the USP of this project, so USP of this project first is Bluenix technology, like how Bluenix would be work. So Bluenix is totally different from home automation. Everyone provide like home automation like through Wi-Fi and all. In this, Puravankara has first time tie up with Google. So all like your home appliances would be work on voice command as well wherever you are out of Pune or like foreign. So you can operate your house through your mobile. So this is the Bluenix concept. In this 3-level filter water, this is the next USP of this project. 3-level filter water, this is a German technology. Puravankara came first step in India with this. So directly 3-level filter water you will be having through your kitchen tap. For example, if any customer going to choose 2 BHK or 3 BHK with us, so there would be no need to put the AquaGuard or Pureit for filter water. Directly
Okay.
he will, yeah. So directly he will get pure water through his kitchen tap. And next, if I talk about the next USP of this project, so next it's oxygenated clubhouse. So for example, everyone knows this corona is going on and there is 21% oxygenated, there is no. So if I talk about the pure oxygen, so in clubhouse, we are going to put the oxygen sensors in clubhouse. So he will or she will get directly oxygen so they will get regenerate body or get level stress low. So next it's your 12-11 concept. Basically what is 12-11 concept? If I talk about the 12-11, so everyone is provide now scenarios provide open terrace open to sky. So in this we are going to introduce 3-sided terrace covered front would be open with half glass. So in future if you are choosing 2 BHK, so you can convert as a 3 BHK. So the terrace size it's as well the bedroom size you will be having. So these are the USPs of this project. If I talk about the amenities, so amenities inside you will be having first swimming pool, gym, multi-purpose hall, library, and indoor games. These amenities you will be having inside this society. So this is all about this small brief presentation like Purvanga Aspire.
This seems to be really exciting. If in case I look at the USPs of the project, like purified water, oxygenated areas where we can check oxygen level, which is good for the health, as well as you talk about the exclusive terrace area and 3-side cover the terrace, which is really exciting. And such kind of structure and thoughtful design is normally nowhere available in market so easily. So this seems to be really exciting. And Akansh, Pallavi, just help us to understand the price range of these 2 BHK and 3 BHK for the understanding of our customers.
Okay, so if I talk about the for 2 BHK Grand, this is the quoting lie which I'm going to tell. So 1.05, yeah, 1.05 CR, which is all inclusive, and this is the quoting. This is only for the 2 BHK Grand. 2 BHK Lux is 1.25 CR. This is the for 2 BHK Grand. If I talk the 3 BHK Grand, the quoting is 1.45 CR, which is all inclusive. And next one, it's 3 BHK Lux. The quoting is 1.60 CR. So this you
Fan-
can like say this is a primary and like luxury segment. So you can count this project in luxury segment.
Fantastic, fantastic,
Yeah.
and fair enough to understand. And Pallavi, by
Yeah.
when this project is getting handed over to the customer for
Okay.
possession?
Okay. So if I talk about the position as per the radar, the March 2024, but we will deliver to you December 2023.
Okay.
Yeah.
And one more thing I would like to understand
Please.
by a buyer's point of view.
Yeah.
In case I look at Baudan as a locality, then if I have to buy a 2 BHK or 3 BHK, why should I go for Purvankara and Purva Aspire typically?
See, first, if I talk about the Purvankara, first it's listed company. Everyone like
Yes,
see, everyone is like if I ask Sandeep, you're like okay with आप भी अगर को चूज करोगे तो क्यों ना मैं ब्रांड सी अगर हम कपड़े भी खरीदते तो सोचते हैं ओके ब्रांड इट्स गुड और लोकल इट्स गुड सो
brand.
बेसिकली ब्रांड वैल्यू इट्स देयर सेकेंड वन
Yes,
इज इफ आई टॉक अबाउट मोस्टली लोग प्रिफर करते एज पर दी लाइक घर लाइफ
mm,
स्टाइल
very
if
true.
I'm not wrong. Yeah. So as per the right lifestyle, but we are going to in this like Blue Next, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया इस Blue Next technology and like it's to live in concept. These concept it's different from others. So these
Very
things you
true.
can compare to others as well. Yeah. See, lifestyle जैसे मैंने आपको बताया this segment it's related only the luxuries and all.
Yes, exactly. Can be understood. And Pallavi, I wanted to understand one more thing which any of the customer takes into consideration before finalizing their
Mm-hmm.
property. So
Mm-hmm.
in case any of the investor is coming and landing his decision in our property, then is there any additional future development planned around this location which may help to trigger the price appreciation over a period of time? And even this will add some value into the rental yield as well. So any
I
such
think, yeah, I
infrastructure?
think Sandeep, Ranjit also has given this answer to you. Like it's development about the Babdan. See, Babdan is developing area. So there is, yeah, there is 100% future development. Ranjit had so told us to us, like the metro and 6 lane it's going on. So these are the future development. And I believe Babdan is the best like location for investment.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you, thank you. And Ranjit, I just wanted to
Please.
understand one thing from your side. What kind
Yeah.
of value you as a prop tiger going to add into this transaction in case customer is going through you?
As a prop tiger, whenever you just inquire for the Purva Aspire, right? Immediately, our relationship manager will connect with you. He or she will explain your a complete project. She and he will feel and experience for the virtually, right? If you want to visit the physically of the particular projects or if you want to see the sample apartments of the particular projects 2 BHK or 3 BHK, right?
Yeah.
So my team will assist you. My team will assist you, and definitely they will experience or to you for the physical site visits, and we will assist you as well as home loan process without any cost. We never charge to our customers for these services.
Okay, that seems to be really great. So, in case I have to summarize this webinar in nutshell, I would like to highlight some of the learnings or key highlights out of this discussion that Purva Aspire is getting constructed by the Purvankara, which is finest and reputed developer, having listed and having presence across country. They do have their name for a kind of classic structure they are creating, thoughtful designs, quality, next generation USPs they are building into their properties, which can help users to enhance their overall experiences while residing into these properties. Apart from this, if we talk about this project, This Purva Aspire is typically going to cater to a typical class of people who want to have a world-class luxury as well as the close vicinity of the nature. So within this project, developer has thoughtfully given a sense to the nature's touch, and accordingly, an ample amount of greenery has been created. And if you in case you look at the location of the project is located just beside the Chandni Chowk on a distance of 2 kilometers, which is hardly a 5-10 minutes walkable distance, and by vehicle you can reach hardly in a 2-3 minutes of time. And in case we look at a location, so it is closely connected to the Kothurud, we can simply say as an extension.
Yeah.
A typical Punekar never ever wants to move out of the city, so they can simply move 2 kilometers from the Kothurud and they will land into the Baudhan, and which will become their next heritage to stay with their family and to their next generations as well. As well, we if you look at the location has its own glory in terms of greenery, convenience by means of all kind of convenience like shopping avenues, retail stores, all kind of high-end outlets, by means of entertainment, eateries, hoteling, restaurants, hospitals. Everything is readily accessible, hardly in a vicinity of 5 to 10 minutes in and around the location. And very much
Yes.
important, this project is located onto the one of the finest and biggest road which is under construction, which is directly connecting to the Goa from Pune, as well Lavasa from Pune, and just beside the Mumbai Bangalore Express Highway. And the location is quietly blessed with the presence of the IT within the premises by means of the Oracle, as well as the one of the prominent IT hub of the country, that is Hinjawadi, which is closely connected on a distance of 15 to 20 minutes on both of the side, one from the Firangut side and another from the express highway side. So in case any of the user wants to buy a property, they normally look for the location. So location is very premium in terms of convenience, connectivity, schooling, hotels, hospitals, employment hubs, and everything, as well as the crowd which is going to be there would be a world-class crowd by considering the features and the USP of the project, which has been designed by the Purvankara. So this is all about this product offering, and as you all have seen that the Purvankara has typically created this product offering into the western part of the Pune, and there are very limited number of units available. And in case you are planning, you should not think for a longer period of time, else you will lose this golden window to invest into the finest pocket of the city. So I do request all of our property viewers to take your decisions accordingly by collecting all of the information. And after this prop talk, you will have contact details and email details handily available onto the screen, which you can collect and get in touch with the property experts who will then take you to the site for the physical experience. And the developer team, Pallavi, will help us to have a real-time insight and experience of the Purva Aspire. So that's all about the Purva Aspire and the Baudan as a locality. I thank you, Ranjit and Pallavi, for your valuable contribution and insights, making this possible to our customers to understand it virtually more about the project and location. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Sandeep. Thank you, Pallavi.
Thank you so much, Ranjit.